Hey guys, in today's video I've got an Ozito blower vacuum over here. I bought it for $50 from Bunnings Warehouse. So it's a lightweight 2.4 kilowatts variable speed blower vacuum. And let's see what we got inside. Some paperwork and the main unit. Also got the bag, some attachment, that's the handle actually, as well as the connections, tubing connections, and I've got the wheel for it as well. So what it says, has 40 liters collection bag, has a single action lever, 10.1 mulching ratio, variable speed, and 2400 watts of power. So I bought this one to replace my old garden line battery operated blower, which couldn't actually vacuum all the leaves that we got. So this one is an electric one, and next we are going to see how it can perform in our garden full of leaves. It's the assembled Ozito vacuum blower. So what we got is a shoulder strap as well. So as you can see, the unit has the adjusting speed knob here, the lever for blowing, got the bag. And the assembly process wasn't that hard. It took about 5 minutes to assemble the whole machine. So we got the handle assembled as well, the switch and the plug. So let's go and check it out in action. Alright guys, I've made a mess over here. There are lots of leaves and it's gravel. So the toughest stuff to remove from gravels are leaves, and it's hard. Let's see how this blower works. Okay guys, you watched yourself the final result and how the Ozito blower vacuum actually works. So the final judgment is yours, but I should add to this that from my personal point of view, this is a powerful unit and it comes very handy. I also have my battery operated blower as well for just small jobs of blowing around the garage, but this one definitely can work in bigger yards. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.